So this is my method of making the best iced tea ever. So what we do is we start off by brewing a strong pot of tea. I prefer loose tea, but it really doesn't matter. I've used Tetley, I've used Red Rose in the past, but I have this loose tea right now, so I'm going to use it. It smells good. Okay. Okay, so we'll let that stew for a few minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, we'll also need 1 whole lemon, and I've washed this because I'm going to be using the peel as well. So we're going to take half of it and juice it. And I'm going to use this mason jar to make the tea in. I suppose I could have put it in another container and then poured it in, but that's fine. I should be able to get most of the juice in this jar. So we've got the juice of half a lemon. That worked out nicely. And then this one we will cut into little pieces. So we actually have lemon bits floating in the iced tea. And we'll drop those in as well. So there we have it. In the mason jar we have the whole lemon, half in pieces and half juice. Okay, and to this iced tea, because we want to make it so that you don't have to wait forever for it, you can actually drink it right away. We're going to put quite a number of ice cubes in this mason jar. That is also part of the reason why you want to steep your tea really strong, because it is going to weaken up. You know, it's going to get weaker when it's poured over these ice cubes. Okay, I think the tea has brewed. And then you sweeten the tea to taste. Now I just used regular sugar. Okay, so I pour the sugar into the hot tea rather than in the mason jar. And I don't put a lot of sweetener. You can always add more to it later if you don't like it, but I'll taste this now. Yes, there's adequate. It could use a little bit more, but I'm not going to. So that's fine. Then, all we do is we take our hot sugared tea and pour it over the lemon juice and ice cubes. And you've got instant iced tea. And that has already cooled down. Now this can go in the refrigerator, although it's cool, or it can be served immediately. And to serve it, I would just get another glass. Add a few more ice cubes. And pour it out. There it is. Instant iced tea. The best ever. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching.